Now we are coming to concept of immunological surveillance. Now we will take immunological surveillance. That means how long the immunity is protecting our body, that we have to see. Now how far they are taking care of our health, that we have to see. Our immune system, that you know very well, the blood, white blood cells, everything we are telling, immune system. Now, what is the normal condition? What actually it is doing? Seek and destroy the modified cells formed by the somatic mutation. Normally, what will happen? Our immune system. Now, somatic mutation, first we have to do. Now, sudden changes in the genes of the chromosome. Genes in the chromosome, we can say, that is called a mutation. Any sudden change in the genes, we can call it as mutation. Okay, that is somatic mutation means the genes are responsible for general body characters. That is called the somatic mutation. Now, because of somatic mutation, the cell is behaving abnormally. The cell is behaving abnormally. So, once the immune system is observing the cell which is behaving abnormally due to somatic mutation, it will see that, it will seek it, go there and destroy the cell, abnormal cell. That is actually normal condition. The efficiency of immunosurveillance is reduced due to aging. Our immunity level is gradually decreased due to age. When the age is increasing, the immunity level is gradually decreasing. Or it may be congenital. It may be congenital means genetic problem. Now, age may be young age, but genetic problem will come, that is called a congenital. Or sometime what will happen, congenital means one more meaning is there. If mother is having some problem that will affect the fetus, that is also congenital. So when the child is born, the child will be having some immune problem. Immunodeficiency, immunity level is going down. If immunoefficiency is decreased, that means the immunity efficiency is decreased, cancer is caused. Just before the diagram is given. So that is only how the immunity is caused, how a normal cell is becoming cancerous cell. We have studied. It is because of immunity level is lowered. This also another one important topic, adolescence. Now adolescence means the age of the individual, adolescence age we are telling, which is about 12 or 13 to 16 or 17. That age is called adolescent age. Now adolescence, that particular period. Now the rapid growth of the body will be there. Okay, up to the age of 11 or 12, the individual may be very childish. But when the child is from 11 or 12 up to 17 or 18, within that 5 years, the growth will be very fast in the body. That is called the adolescent period. That period is called what? Adolescent period. That also we are calling teenage. We are telling you know that. Adolescence or puberty is a rapid physical and sexual development. Physically, the individual is growing faster and the reproductive organs are also growing faster. That is a period. That period is called the adolescent period. It occurs at the age of 12 to 19 years. That is teenage, we are telling. It is also called dynamic. That means very active period. Dynamic, psychological and social changes. So first the individual is attaining a lot of psychological. Psychology is the ability of our brain, mind, we are telling. So that is psychological and the social changes. Now at the time only the child is slowly understanding what is society. Okay, what are the things are present in the society, everything they are understanding. That is dynamic, psychological and social changes. This period is vulnerable. Now that is during this period, that period is the individuals are not understanding the society very much. So easily trapped, vulnerable means easily trapped to peer group and a peer pressure. What is that peer group? Now the same age group, that is called a peer group, we can call same age group and also same age pressure. What will happen? The friends pressure will be there. I'll give one example for this peer group and a peer pressure. If it is a positive group, okay, positive, all will be good. Well, for example, one group of people are there, all are more or less the same age group. One student or one particular person is a drug addict. What will happen? He will induce the other people, trap the other people to come and enjoy this. So everyone in that group, the peer group, will be trying to go into the wrong direction. That is called the peer pressure. Okay, so there only you have to be very careful. This adolescent age, we have to be very careful, we have to be very close to the parents and also very close to the teachers. We have to get the advice, and we should not be trapped by the wrong group. We have to be trapped by good group. That is only vulnerable period. This period is vulnerable to peer group or peer pressure. Now, alcohol. This is for adults. Alcoholism. Okay, alcohol. Now, alcohol is actually a medicine. Now, it is a psychoactive drug. It is a psychologically it is a stimulating, that is called a psychoactive drug, acts on brain and affecting the mind and the behavior of the individual. So alcohol, if it is used as a medicine, it is medicine, but if it is not used as a medicine, then it is a giving, what is that, psychoactive. Psychologically the person will be affected, it is acting on the brain and affecting the mind and affecting the behavior. Then the alcohol is a CNS depressant or suppressant. Any term we can use, depressant or suppressant. What is that CNS? Central nervous system. Now, central nervous system means brain and spinal cord. Together we can call as central nervous system. So, whenever a person is consuming alcohol, the brain and the spinal cord will be suppressed or will be depressed. That means they are not made to act normally. Abnormal activities will be there. As a result of which, alcohol impairs. Impairs means no coordination. Physical activities. That means physically we cannot do that work properly. Physiological functions of various organs. Coordination will not be there. And the psychological function. Psychological means mind, brain function or mind function. Everything will be affected. So mentally we are disturbed. So physically we cannot do the work properly. Physiologically, that is all the internal organs like a heart, lungs, a liver, kidney, everything will not do their function properly. And psychologically, mental problem will be there. List of abused drugs. Like alcohol, there are certain drugs which are abused. Abuse means what? Misused. That is called abused drugs. Now we have to know what is the meaning of a drug and medicine. Medicine is formulated. It is prepared by qualified scientists and they are preparing based on certain formula for the benefit of curing the diseases. That is called medicine. But a drug, it is not like that. It is not formulated. It is something just like that randomly people are taking because of some peer pressure. So that is called a drug. Now such drugs which are harmful or injurious to the health is misused. That is called abused drugs. What are the drugs? We have to see. Opioids, first group. Cannabinoids, second group. Coca alkaloids, another group. Barbiturates, amphetamines and LSD. LSD is abbreviation. Lysergic acid diethylamine. Now full name. L is for lysergic acid and D for diethylamine. That is, these are all the medicines which are wrongly used by some people, that is misused by the people. Okay, now first we will take about opioids. The first in the list, opioids is there. Now what are the opioids? We have to see. They can bind, these chemicals can bind with the opioid receptors of CNS. Already I told you, brain and spinal cord. Cells are there, lot of cells are there. They have some sensitive area. In the sensitive area, these chemical molecules can go and bind. And intestinal tract, even they are also going and join with the cells of the intestinal tract. So brain will be affected, intestine will also be affected. The next one, heroin is another one type of opioid or heroin. Now it is called diacetyl morphine, other name for the heroin. Heroin is a common name. It is whitish powder or it may be colorless bitter compound. It is a little bitter, but it is colorless or whitish, any compound it will be. So it is a heroin. It will also do the same thing. Then it is obtained from, the heroin is obtained by the acetylation. Acetylation is a chemical process of morphine. Morphine is a chemical which is obtained from the plant. Okay, this is extracted from the flowers of poppy plant. Poppy plant is a type of plant in that the flowers are having this chemical called a morphine. They are extracting the morphine, then they are making this acetylation. As a result of it, diacetyl morphine. Heroin is prepared. strong painkiller. Actually, this heroin or this opioid, we can take opioid group. It is a group of chemical. Medical department and all, what they are doing, they are preparing medicine for painkiller. Okay, after surgery, after doing surgery, a lot of pain will be there in the place where they did the surgery. So for relieving the pain, they are using as a painkiller. If it is a medically with the doctor's prescription, if it is done, it is good. Otherwise, this opioid is very, very dangerous because it is affecting the brain, spinal cord and the intestine. The second group is called the cannabinoids. Cannabinoids. It is a group of chemicals obtained from cannabis sativa. It is the name of the plant. It is a botanical name. Cannabis sativa. It is commonly called the Indian hemp plant. Common name. It is obtained from. The chemical is obtained from this. This is a group of chemicals. These chemicals are obtained from marijuana, ganja, hashish, and also kara. Now these are all the chemicals that are obtained from this cannabis group. The cannabinoids interfere neurotransmitter. The nerve message is coming from brain to various parts, or the message is going from various parts to the brain with the help of neurons. In the neurons, some chemicals are there. They are called neurotransmitters. So they are interfering the neurotransmitter, blocking them. Called dopamine. The name of the chemical is called what? Dopamine, and overstimulate the central nervous system. As a result of it, the central nervous system is overstimulated. So brain is overstimulated. So confused state. Spinal cord is overstimulated. All the organs are activated too much. As a result of which, shivering, fits, everything will come. The body produces high energy. The bodies are producing, because of this, lot of energies are produced, too much of energy, and a sense of euphoria. Now, what is that sense of euphoria? Feeling extreme happy. It is not true, but the individual is feeling that extremely, that person is very, very happy or overconfidence. Okay, because of this drug. The third group is called the cocaine. Now, we'll take the cocaine is a white powder obtained from the leaves of Erythroxylum coca plant. The full name, Erythroxylum coca, is the botanical name, that plant. From that plant, from the leaves, they are extracting one white powder. It is commonly called a coke, or it is called a crack. Any term we can do. Then, this cocaine causes serious physical and physiological problems. Physical means bodily, so many problems will be there. Physiological means functions of various organs, problems will be there. Including, now some more important one, hallucinations. What is the meaning of hallucination? We have to see. Seeing or hearing something not true. Now, for example, that person who is addict for this cocaine drug, now when after consumption, the person is feeling that the whole world is rotating around him. Okay, it is not true, but they feel like that. That is hallucination, seeing or hearing something not true. And paranoia. Now, what is the meaning of paranoia? Believing that the other people want to harm you. That means whenever that person is seeing the other person, that person will think that that person is going to attack. So that person will try to defend himself. Now that is it is not true, but it is not. That is called a paranoia. Then other plants of hallucinogenic plants. There are other plants are present. They are called Atropa belladonna and datura. Okay, these are all certain other plants from where cocaine can be obtained. Okay, other medicines. We are going to study about other medicines. Okay, methamphetamines, that is methamphetamines. What is actually these are all? The next one is amphetamines, barbiturates, tranquilizers and LSD. LSD already told. Okay, lysergic acid. Then, okay, these are all certain medicines. But these are all the chemicals which are formulated properly, and these are prepared in the form of a medicine like tablets or capsules. But all these things are useful to cure the people who are having some mental problem. So these are also that we are giving other medicines, not drugs, medicines. The above drugs are normally used as medicines. Okay, the above drugs are all normally used as medicines to treat depression, mental depression we are telling. or insomnia. What is actually insomnia? Inability to sleep. For some people, because of worries and other things and all, they may be in a position not to sleep. Okay, whole night they will be wake up. That is inability to sleep. Okay, they will be little nervous. So that is called insomnia. Even for treating this insomnia and mental depression, they are giving these medicines. Doctors are giving, but sometimes abused. What will happen? This is like a sleeping tablet. Okay, for insomnia, the medicine is called what? Sleeping tablet. But doctor will say take for 1 day or 2 days. But our people will buy many tablets, and every day they will make it as a habit. At the time, it is abused, it is misused, so that it will cause lot of problem.